I was working with systems that I have never even touched before, and I had no clue what the heck I was doing. And it felt like every new system was a whole other mountain I had to climb. But eventually, I was able to finish the game. 2 months later, the game was simple. You purchase these play buttons, you go to your plot and place them. They then hatch into YouTubers, and over time, they make you money and music. I
Scientists have achieved a breakthrough in the treatment of hair loss with the MG. The new generation of patients active ingredients used the MG clinical reduces hair loss.
every small detail. Creator rewards alone, it's made 172,000 euros, bringing the grand total to 801,365 euros. I couldn't believe it. I felt like this was a dream. I invested only 20,000 euros in this game and got almost a million in return. I was so relieved that all the time and effort I put into this game did not go to waste. The game continued to keep getting clearer, but as the finish line slowly died, so did my game. So I was so satisfied with how the game performed. I was performing more than ever to keep going, even for finishing in my very next game. Trend. But the issue with that is trends, they die quick. The games following the trends have massive growth at first. Then as people begin to get bored and lose interest, all these games die out. So for my new games, I didn't want to just follow a trend that would eventually die out, which led to me doing some digging, and I found out that all these Roblox is really good genre. It's pretty popular to this day, but there's a modern version now of this genre called two-player obbies. It's a trend that's very
Oh, wait, is that your game right now that's like literally sitting at, yo, dang, bro, that's hard. My singing YouTuber only pulled 1.2 million visits, and he made 800,000 Robux off of that? What?
lasted for a long time, and these games still get a decent amount of players. And I knew that this genre will always be around because people will always want games to play with their friends. Now there were already so many different types of two-player obbies, and it felt like there was no more ideas left that I could do.
Would you still love me if I was a worm?
Wait, say that again.
Would you still love me if I was a worm?
You're a genius! The idea is, one player would be a worm, and the other would have to carry them to the whole obby. Since this game was an obby, I thought it would be much simpler to code than my last games, right? Right? I got straight to work, and since I actually had Robux this time, I commissioned a builder to make me a map while I scripted the game. And it actually wasn't too bad, but I did encounter a lot of bugs which delayed the game. And after another month of work, the game was finally finished. There were 3 maps that the players could be, and these maps were pretty big.
Dang!
The worm in the
Yo, those maps are actually good too. Dude, this is motivating. I'm not gonna lie, like I don't really do game development, but bro, this is like motivating.
So I waited and waited. 2 weeks have passed and the game didn't hit the algorithm yet, and it was only Amazon in the video. At this point, I felt like a game. Maybe I was wrong about this genre taking so I went to bed thinking when I woke up, I looked at the game and 200 CCU? I checked the stats and saw that it finally reached the algorithm. A couple days later, it was back to 600, beating my previous CPU record. And later that day, it was going to 1,000, then 2,000, and on the weekend again, it hit 5,000. I was over the moon. I was expecting to express an 18 million. I was pretty about to give up on the game and the
Yeah. You know what we want to know? How much money you made off that? How much money? How much money you was making on those update days or that 5K day?
sales were coming in crazy. I would refresh my page and there would be like 20 new sales. But now, for the moment you all the game, how much did this game make? Drum roll, please. 1.7 million Robux. Wow. And this creator was making 700,000 Robux. I made a total of 2.4 million Robux. Never in my life did I think I would touch a number this big, but the team I had when I was at home finally reached. The game now sits at 14 million players and averages around 300 to 500 players per. And it definitely shows that you don't need to chase trends to be successful. Now I didn't make this video to flex on you guys. The Robux I have isn't even a fraction of how much those big developers make. I wanted to show you guys that game development isn't a linear game. You just do it, bro. Because you'll never know what can happen.
Bro,
Please subscribe this video.
I don't think